adding overlay text on image. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add overlay text on image in Webflow. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Webflow's dashboard, and I'm going to click on this open designer, which will open up my website designer. Now this is the website editor or website designer. Now here you simply have to press Ctrl+E, and you have to search for text. Or I'm just going to write in for heading. So I'm just going to add heading, and I'm going to type in the text that I want to add into my image. Suppose I want to add hello, so I'm just going to type in hello. And after doing that, you simply have to click on this option, and here you have to go to the right section. Here you have to go to the style, and in the style you have to scroll down until you see this background option. And in the background option, you have to click on this plus icon, and here you will be able to choose image. You simply have to choose the image whatever you want to add. Suppose I want to add this image, so I'm going to add that, and after that I will be able to adjust its styling from here. So I'm just going to select the heading, and I'm going to adjust it according to this. So let me just adjust that for you. Now, as you guys can see, this is the image, and this has some sort of text. You can change the color as well. So I'm just going to change the color to white. Let me just do that for you. And as you guys can see, this is how you guys can do it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.